Hello viewers and welcome to another session of Autodesk Civil 3D 2022. In this session, we will see how we can create a simple profile with gaps. In the last session, we created a simple profile. It does not involve any gaps or offsets. So let's close this drawing number 1 and access the file saved in the last lecture, which was lecture number 65. From here, we will access the alignment, create an offset alignment, and select this current road alignment. You can see the alignment to offset from is road. Now either we want the offset on the left or right. So we want it on right, so we will give number 1 to the right. We will add the suffix modifier underscore static. Under labels, we can choose any type of labels that we want. Currently we don't want any labels, so we will write no labels. So this is the new alignment created. We can access this alignment properties from here, give it a specific name. For instance, there is a power network or a power line just 10 feet below the main road. Here we can access all the different type of properties. If we want to change, we can simply go there. Now we have two different alignments. One was a standard, which was road, and the other is a power line, which is the offset one. Now if we want to create a profile, we can select road again. Natural terrain is the selected surface. This time we will sample some offsets. We will give the value of 10 and negative 10 in case we want on the both sides. Here you can see the positive 10 is the right side and the negative 10 is the left side. For the left side, let's make it static because we will do some manual changes later. Once done, we will lead to this dialog box and do further changes. In general, we have selected alignment of road. Everything is by default. Station range is automatic. Profile view height is automatic. Profile display options. Here you can see we have the natural terrain profile, then the negative 10 and positive 10. Next in data bands, currently we have just by default settings. What if we place it right above the other profile? Now you can see we have a natural terrain profile and then we have two offsets. This one is natural terrain profile. You can see it from the profile properties. Here you can change the color or the line weight if you want to make it distinguished among the others. Moving next, we can do the profile properties or the profile view properties. Under bands, you can see the profile 1 is natural terrain profile and the profile 2 is also natural terrain profile. So you cannot see any significant changes in the bands. But if we do the same for the first natural terrain and for the second profile as natural terrain with an offset, now you will see the difference. Let's move it towards right side so that they don't overlap. Let's move it at an appropriate distance from the other profile, like this. Now we can save the file as lecture number 66, as we were doing all the changes in lecture number 65 file. Once the file is saved, we can close this interface. So this is how we create a simple profile with gaps or offsets. Let's call it a day. See you in another session. Till then, take care.